Shubal sir speaking. Children, as of now, we had discussed few questions of exercise 6.1, and I'm starting from question number 9. So the question number 9 is about true false. For the following statements, write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. -8 is to the right of -10 on a number line. So children, here I have drawn a number line which is starting from 0. The left hand side, the numbers which lies at the right hand side of 0, these are positive numbers. These are positive integers. Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the numbers which are lying left hand side of on the number line from 0, these are -1, -2, -3, -4, dot. I've written till number -10 because as we know that there is no limit of numbers. Numbers are infinite. It can be extended as much you want. So now the question is that we have to justify whether it's true or false. Number A is -8 is to the right of -10. Now children, here is -8 and here is -10. Question is -8 is to the right of -10. Here is -8 and this is -10. So yes, -8 is the right hand side of -10. It's lying at the right of -10. -10 is in the left hand side and -8 is in the right hand side. So -8 is in the right of -10 and -10 is in the left of -8. So the first statement is absolutely correct. The next one is -100. -100 is to the right of -50. Children, suppose if I extend this line, suppose this is -50 and this is -51, -52, -53, dot till -100. So now question is that -100 is to the right of -50. Children, is it true or false? It's genuinely a false statement because -50 is in the right of -100, not -100. -100 is lying at the left of -50 and -50 is lying at the right of -100. So naturally, it's quite understandable that as we'll be extending this number line, the numbers which are appearing like -100, -101, -102, like this, these numbers are lying at the left hand side on the number line. So as we all know, the biggest integer, the biggest negative integer, the greatest negative integer is -1. And there is no range of smallest because it can be -1 lakh, -2 lakh, -10 lakh, 10 crore, whatever you want to take, we can. There is no limit of the lowest negative number. But the greatest negative number is -1. Again, the smallest positive number is +1. As we all know that the number which are lying at the right hand side of 0, these numbers are in increasing order. These numbers are increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these numbers are in the right hand side of 0. These are towards positive line. So these numbers are increasing order. These numbers are in increasing order. And these numbers are in decreasing order. This is what we have to always keep in our mind. From 0 towards left hand side, the numbers are in decreasing order, and the numbers which are in the right hand side from 0, these are in increasing order. Apart from it, the next number C is smallest negative integer is -1. Children, just now I have explained that -1 is not the smallest integer. It's not smallest negative integer. This is rather the greatest negative integer. -1 is the greatest negative integer. This is what we have to keep in our mind. Now, -26 is greater than -25. -26 is greater than -25. Children, what should be your answer? The answer for this question is wrong. -26 and -25. Children, which one is greater? As we all know that negative small numbers are actually greater values. These are actually greater number. So minus 26 and minus 25, if I compare these two numbers, minus 25 is actually greater than minus 26, not minus 26. Minus 25 is greater than minus 26. So this is what we have to keep in our mind. The next one is question number 10. Draw a number line and answer the following questions. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. It's very important to understand the question, children. The question is, we have to move 4 steps. Which number we will reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? Let us stand on minus 2 first. I'm standing on minus 2. And I'll make 4 steps towards the right of minus 2. One step, second step, third step, fourth step. I'm standing on plus 2. My answer is plus 2. If I make move from minus 2 4 steps towards the right hand side, I'll stand on plus 2. This is my answer. Children, make sure while you are solving these questions, please draw the number line and solve your answers. Without a number line, the answers won't be accepted. So please make sure that you have drawn the number line while you are solving these questions. Let's go for the next one. Number B. Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of plus 1? Again, the similar question. I'll be standing on 1 first. And I'll move 5 steps towards left hand side from plus 1. Okay, let us move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm standing on minus 4. My answer is minus 4. A normal counting, just on the number line, make 5 steps, go for 5 steps towards left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My answer is minus 4. Next one, number C. If we are at minus 8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 13? Okay, I'm standing on minus 8 at this moment, and I have to reach minus 13. Which direction I should move, whether it's in right hand side or left hand side? Of course, the numbers which are which are in decreasing order, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. So I have to make move towards left hand side, because minus 13 is lesser than minus 8. Minus 8 is bigger, minus 13 is lesser. So naturally I have to move towards left hand side in order to stand on minus 13. I hope I'm able to make you understand. The next one is, if we are at minus 6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? So children, I'll be standing on minus 6 and I have to reach minus 1. Which direction I should make my moves? My move should be towards left hand side. Sorry, slip of tongue, right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm standing on minus 1. So I'll be moving towards right hand side in order to reach minus 1. This is what was all about exercise 6.1. We are over with exercise 6.1. In the next explanation, I'll be dealing with exercise 6.2. Till then, thank you so much, children. Thanks a lot. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Take care.